I'd rather ride a scooter. Please, just stop making these. These are terrible. Well, look at this. No, this makes no sense. It's like there's no reason you're on Earth that you have no freaking air. No air, no nothing. You have no nothing in freaking problem. You know that this sucks. This right there sucks. I gave this a 3 out of 10. Why? 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 You know the truth. Stop. Just move on. Skip this channel. This channel stinks. Okay, what's actually like this here? I like this freaking movie. It is so good for me to watch. That piece of garbage. When it is, eternity it's gonna die. When you never go to a freaking a barn.